So guys, it is a rat snake. It's a rat snake. Bag uthale. Okay. So guys, this is a rat snake, Indian rat snake, and they are found in the backyard of the home, and they usually come for the rodents or the toads. Since today it is a bit sunny outside, the snake has come for the basking as well. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲರ್ ಇದು. ಇದಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲಿಗಳ ಕಾಟ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಪ್ಪೆಗಳ ಕಾಟ ನಮ್ ಕಾಟ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದೇನೋ ತಿಂದಿದ ಸ್ಕ್ವಿರಿಲ್. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದು. ಅದೇ ನಾಗರ ಒಯ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇದಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು.
ಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್, ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಎದುರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಾಲೆಜ್
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನನ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರ.
ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಐತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ.
So look at the girth of the snake, and this is the white skin. What you see is the inner color. When the snake gets expand itself body when breathing, you can see closely. And this particular snake has consumed a squirrel, they say. And how beautiful it is. I tried convincing them to let the snake be just outside to their compound area, since it is like beyond the ring road, and there are very few home, and having the rat snake around it will protect your surrounding by rodents and other pests. But people are bit afraid, so I had to come bit far just to release the snake. Okay, there it pops inside. You can see the stomach is bulged, so the squirrel is still intact in this particular stomach, so the snake did not regurgitate. So guys, the rescue and release has been done, and if you guys find the video worth watching, then give a like and follow me on Instagram and follow my YouTube page Serpent Adventures.